Hello, welcome to my channel BD Journey. I am Muhammad Delwar Hossain. I am describing about Nepal's pristine paradises embracing nature's marvels and enchanting beaches. Nepal's pristine paradises, embracing nature's marvels and enchanting beaches. Introduction. Nestled in the heart of the majestic Himalayas, Nepal is often renowned for its towering mountains and trekking adventures. However, this enchanting country also boasts a lesser-known treasure: its awe-inspiring nature and breathtaking beaches. From lush valleys to tranquil lakeshores, Nepal offers an extraordinary blend of natural wonders that will captivate the hearts of adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike. Pristine Wilderness. Step into Nepal's untouched wilderness, where dense forests, cascading waterfalls, and vibrant flora and fauna create an exquisite tapestry of natural beauty. As you venture into national parks like Chitwan and Bardia, prepare to be mesmerized by the sight of rare wildlife, including majestic tigers, one-horned rhinoceroses, and elusive leopards. Embark on an exhilarating jungle safari or enjoy a serene nature walk to immerse yourself in the harmony of Nepal's untamed landscapes. Himalayan grandeur. While Nepal's beaches are a hidden gem, the mighty Himalayas continue to enchant visitors. Majestic peaks like Mount Everest, Annapurna, and Kanchenjunga dominate the horizon, offering awe-inspiring vistas that leave onlookers spellbound. Whether you're an intrepid mountaineer seeking an adrenaline rush or a contemplative soul seeking solace in nature's embrace, Nepal's Himalayas present a lifetime's worth of adventure and spiritual enlightenment. Tranquil lakes. Beyond the mountains, Nepal reveals its serene lakes, nestled amidst picturesque valleys and adorned with idyllic settings. The stunning jewel of Pokhara, Phua Lake, entices visitors with its crystal-clear waters mirroring the towering Annapurna Range. Take a tranquil boat ride, soak in the breathtaking panorama, or go paragliding to witness the sublime beauty of Nepal's natural wonders from above. Rara Lake, located in the remote western region, is another hidden gem, where untouched wilderness and placid waters create an otherworldly experience. The unexplored beaches. While Nepal may not be the first destination that comes to mind when thinking of beaches, the country surprises visitors with its secluded coastal wonders. Bordering the Bay of Bengal, Nepal's southernmost region embraces serene beaches along the plains of Terai. Head to popular destinations like Daman, Saurahat, or Devgat to witness the harmonious blend of sandy shores, gentle riverbanks, and lush greenery. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of these offbeat coastal escapes, where you can relax, rejuvenate, and witness mesmerizing sunsets painting the horizon in hues of gold and crimson. Conclusion. Nature lovers and adventure seekers will find solace in Nepal's untamed wilderness, majestic mountains, and surprising beaches. From the heights of the Himalayas to the depths of secluded coastal beauty, Nepal offers a diverse range of natural wonders that beckon explorers from around the world. Whether you seek an adrenaline-fueled trek, a peaceful lakeside retreat, or a serene beachside getaway, Nepal's sublime landscapes are sure to leave an indelible mark on your heart and soul. Embrace the magic of Nepal's nature and beaches, and embark on a transformative journey unlike any other. Stealthily moving through the undergrowth, and marvel at the vibrant plumage of exotic birds. Trek through lush trails, breathe in the pure air, and immerse yourself in the harmonious embrace of nature's bounty. Majestic Himalayas and alpine serenity. While Nepal's beaches are a hidden delight, the majestic Himalayas continue to be the crown jewels of the country. Towering peaks like Everest, Annapurna, and Makalu stand tall, inviting intrepid adventurers and spiritual seekers alike. Embark on a soul-stirring trek amidst the awe-inspiring grandeur of snow-capped mountains, where each step reveals a new vista of ethereal beauty. Experience the thrill of conquering high-altitude passes, witness the warm glow of sunrise illuminating the Himalayan peaks, and find solace in the serene sanctuaries nestled amidst the alpine landscape. Tranquil lakes and reflections of serenity. Nepal's lakes are a tranquil sanctuary for those seeking respite and reflection. The serene waters of Phua Lake in Pokhara, surrounded by lush hills and mirrored reflections of snow-capped peaks, create a captivating ambience. Take a boat ride to the charming Tal Barahi temple situated on a small island in the middle of the lake, or simply unwind along the lakeshore, absorbing the peaceful energy that envelopes this natural haven. Rani Pokhari in Kathmandu, Begna's Lake near Pokhara, and the mystical Gosaikunda Lake in Langtang National Park are also enchanting destinations that offer serene beauty and spiritual solace. Serendipitous coastal delights. Nepal's coastal surprises lie along its southern border, where secluded beaches await the intrepid traveler. Explore lesser-known gems such as Tautaha Lake, where the still waters and surrounding wetlands provide a tranquil refuge for migratory birds. Discover the beauty of the Koshi Tapu Wildlife Reserve, where the Koshi River converges with the Gangetic Plains, creating a mesmerizing habitat for diverse flora and fauna. Delve into the wonders of peaceful beaches in places like Lumbini, Devgat, and Daman, where the Terai Plains meet the horizon, offering a serene blend of nature and culture. Conclusion. Nepal's natural symphony, composed of its untamed forests, majestic Himalayas, serene lakes, and hidden beaches, is an invitation to embark on an unforgettable journey. Immerse yourself in the diverse landscapes, connect with nature's harmonious melodies, and experience the transformative power of Nepal's pristine beauty.